Hi folks, Pat Gage here. Hey, do you ever have that person at work that never complains about the employee stock price, never complains about the contributions, the 401ks that the company's matching, or anything like that about retirement? You ever have those people at work that really don't complain about it and he seems to be happy or she seems to be happy all the time? Well, you know what? Let me let you in on a little secret. They're probably investing in some sort of real estate and they could really care less what the company's doing. And my guest this Wednesday, June 2nd, on the Mastermind is going to be Brady Hoffpauir. And he's going to tell you exactly how he's doing that for his people and his clients that he's helping invest in real estate. Now, he's got a job. He's a senior project manager in a Global 500 company, very demanding job. I know that job well. I do that job on a daily basis, so I understand that. But he also found that, there's a lot of people that, would like to do something different or need something different in their retirement that's going to, be able to have them say, I don't want to do this job anymore. And that's what Brady set up. And so join me Wednesday, June 2nd, when Brady talks about his latest acquisition of a 41 unit here in Michigan, and also some of the other ones that he's done and helped people get involved with. And basically what this is folks, is just letting you know that there's other alternatives out there to dumping your money into the Wall Street, dumping it into your 401k, and hoping that your company's leadership does the right thing and the stock goes up, all that kind of stuff. And that's wishful thinking. And if you think you're going to retire with that, good luck, okay? But anyway, enough about that, enough about my grandstanding here. Join me Wednesday, June 2nd, 7 p.m. There's a link right here in this video as well as in the description. Go take a look at Brady's bio. Please join us, 7 o'clock. Come armed with your questions. It's going to be live question and answer. That's the reason for a mastermind. Bring your questions, bring an open mind, and we'll see you Wednesday, okay? Thanks, folks. We'll talk to you, and have a great day.